What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm making some mango pineapple juice. Stick around with me. Let me show you how I make this lovely juice, Sister J's way, Sister J's version. Okay guys, it's time to make my juice. So I went ahead and I peeled my pineapple and my mangoes. So here is the pineapple. I'm just gonna pour a small portion of water in it. Not too much, just a small portion. And I'm gonna be blending the pineapple first. So for this juice, I won't be putting any sugar because the pineapple is sweet and the mango is sweet. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm gonna be blending. I'm gonna put a little ginger. Look at this guys, so smooth and creamy. Real juice guys. As you can see, I just put a small portion of water. There you have it guys, my pineapple mango juice. Made easy. You know guys, we can make our own natural juice at home. Look at that. Yeah. Guys, look at that. And for the pineapple and mango guys, I didn't put any sugar because I think it's already sweet. But if you're making your pineapple and mango juice and you choose to put sugar or honey, that's totally up to you. But it's just me. I'm using less sweet, so I think it's fine. You can use natural ginger, or you can even use lime or lemon. But the difference is when you use lime or lemon with these kind of fruit, it will separate it, so you will see the water in it. Yeah, so if you want it to look just like this, same color all the way through, less liquid and no citrus, and you will achieve this. If you put the citrus in it, it's gonna separate it. So that's the trick to it, guys. So I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. Yeah, put that thumbs up. Some people put a thumbs down. It's up to them if they want to give me a thumbs down. And you know, let me give you something, a secret that you didn't know. When you put a thumbs down on anyone's video, YouTube see that someone stop and engage. So it doesn't matter if you give me a thumbs down. I thank you for that thumbs down. When you give me that thumbs down, the revenue goes up. So I do appreciate those thumbs down, okay? Guys, take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. You know what? Before me go, let me drink some of the juice. Cheers. Should I use one straw now? Can I put something on glass? But yeah, what? Now use one straw. Then now drop off. Oh. Pineapple mango juice. It tastes good. Real good. Natural juice. See the mango, yeah? Pineapple. The juice that tastes good, you see? I hope it's so nice. Real juice? No artificial flavor. 100% real. 100% natural. This blender, guys, you don't need to strain it. And there's not even roughage in it. You just smooth it all the way out. Tastes so good. Pineapple mango juice made Sister J's way. Guys, take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance. Sister J say, more blessing. Eat good, pray good, sleep good, and do good. Blessings to you.